Okay. You want to take the white paper? What a white one?
She got one though. I can tell you all the six, darling. No, you're coming. She will be there in half an hour. Come over. Come on. Leave it. Sit with that. She's in the wall anyway. That's why you're holding how everybody's reacting. Like I said, I've never had a shop yet. So when I go to work, because I've been off for a week, when I go back to work, everybody's going to be like, I'm not home then. Even when I always late, it's really not like, we show here. Never short. You know, I can't believe I'm doing this at 10 years old. Hey, come here. No, you got here. Okay, you go back. Go. You're not in here.
Hello, sweetie.
Sit in there. I have no
Morning.
I have no hair for you to take.
Hello.
You're taking it off.
Good work up now. Hey. Good. Good. Hold on. Hey.
I can repeat.
Yeah.
Every day is a country.
Huh?
If she came to me at the time, she would have named it
All
up.
your hair.
Never.
Would have done a layup.
Do you know how we could have sold this hair to a cancer patient?
Really?
Yes.
How do we still do that?
Oh, no.
No, I think they have to be
We have to cut it in. We should have cut it in.
Oh my.
Oh, I see. I should have had to make me on a crack.
Oh my God.
Malcolm, go away. I'm already, I just got off. Already. I couldn't.
What?
Nuh-uh. I could just see the for my.
Come on, man. Come on.
That's your husband.
Yeah.
Come on, Spikes.
Cheers, you see?
You're so boring, your wife.
Even your husband wanted something funky. Next time.
Yeah, because it doesn't have to be with. I need a PhD, please. That's why he wants me to take all the hair out. Because I'm driving for a PhD for my birthday.
I better hurry here because Sohana's going to finish before me.
No. Relax.
I'm talking too much.
Oh, another phone? Alright.
I got to cut if you want.
Trying to come there? Huh?
I got to cut if you want. That's it.
Shirika, because I have to come there.
That's right here. Come cut here.
Come, shake. Still worried about how I'm missing.
What was it?
Oh, my. I didn't see what.
No, he doesn't go out his mother.
Think of where the camera is.
Even though I'm the auntie, he won't come with me. Okay, I'll see you at home. Bye.
Bye.
You shouldn't look okay after all this, Susanna. You shouldn't look okay after all
Wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
It looks stunning.
this. If I don't, is there a wig shop nearby?
Right?
Kidding.
Just use it.
Do not help.
You must become positive.
And I'm thinking of how I would remedy the situation if it doesn't work out.
You see, you're negative. It is going to work out. Just turn it. No, the other way. More. I just need to be in the camera all the time to cut. So if you can. Sorry. Just need to be. It's weird for you to